gotta grind it. So I will keep you updated about tomorrow, how late I'm going live. Probably I'm just going live. That's my plan. I don't know how things are gonna change, because if Todd needs to pick up her mom and needs to take care and do some stuff over there, I have to be at home for Jaya and for the girls. And like last week, you know, it is not always easy to do streaming and be a daddy at the same time. But you never know. Hey, practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect, guys. That's one thing for sure. Yo, yo, yo. Let's put the mobile data off. And maybe I should do an evening stream again someday. It should be fun. Do an evening stream again someday. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's go party Bacardi. Let's take a little look. The mobile data can go off and a hotspot. Does that video got some views, by the way, on YouTube or not? That Indo party. Wowzers. How? 66 views. But yeah, hey, it can still come a day later, you know? Oh man. Pretty good, Peter Brug. Thank you, man. I'm going to eat with the girls now. This was not correct. Hope you're doing too, Peter Brug. Hope you're doing well, buddy. Thanks for joining, mate. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, we had a little walk and we had some I checked my fishing tent and my my stretcher, and yeah, it was working all pretty good, so very happy with that, bro. Very happy with that, my man. Backpack can go here. I wanted to do some gardening as well, but I can do that as well on my days off. It's nice and chill. So let's take a look who we can share some love with the raid, guys. Banga bang, let's go, bro. Yeah, I need to fix, by the way, that wow. The clip of the month, March. So, hello, chef.